Okay. You ready to go on adventure? You want to go? You want to go, mamas? Let's go. Okay, come on. Come on, let's go to the car. Okay. Bless you. I'll be right back. My shotgun rider, huh, puppy? I do have a car seat for him, but he just prefers being on a blanket. We are now at a local farmer's market. I used to go here with Juicy when I first got into the area, and now I bring Brutus with me. Although he is not friendly to other doggies, be kind of challenging to navigate when there are other doggies around, but he loves a certain treat vendor. So, oh, I think that's him. So I'm gonna go get him some of those chicken treats and yeah, for his stocking stuffer. You didn't hear nothing, Bubs. I love ya. I love ya. He's just over there looking for the other doggies. We got to make it snappy because we have an appointment, my love. Are you enjoying yourself? Were you inspecting? Sir sniffs a lot? Okay, Bubba's, we made it to the vet. And then once we're done, you can have some nice treats. Does that sound good? You're my strong, brave boy. The vet that I take him to, it is a little pricey, and I have been thinking about whether I switch to like just a regular Banfield, but this hospital, it's like fear certified or something, so it like has pheromones, calming pheromones, and like I said, he's not friendly to other doggies, but it does help him relax faster, and just like the environment is very soothing for them. And obviously you guys know, like one of my biggest expenses is on my fur children. You know, Juicy, I got her the best care I could possibly get, and I do the same with Brutus, but at the same time, he's not like, knock on wood, like he's not special needs, and hopefully will never become special needs the way that Juicy was. He has remained like quite healthy, which I'm very, very grateful for. I mentioned it before that going from being one person to a 4-person family, 1.5 to a 4.5 person family, yeah. 2-person house, 2 living being household to 5 being household. I just have to be a lot more realistic with where I spend my money. Switching to like Banfield, yeah, I don't know. Anyways, we gotta go into our appointment, so see y'all in a little bit. Come sit here. Come here. Come here. Okay, we're done at the vet. He did so good, but he's kind of irritated with me. It's time for him to get a bath because he got super stinky. My trusty Tabo to help. There you go. Especially where your foot is, sorry. I know it's not the most fun thing to do. Hold on. Brutus? I know. This is what happens when I'm doing when I'm doing it by myself. Sir, okay, so I cannot believe that you just jumped out like that. You're ridiculous. Stay right there. I'm not joking. Be careful. I know, okay. Come here. Yes. But it's nice to be clean, Brutus, huh? Your backside is still all wet. I'm trying to get your tail. It's so funny because his tail is much longer than Juicy's. Are you okay now? Now you smell fresh. I know, you don't want anyone touching your behind because they expressed you. He said, I am done with people touching my backside. I need some personal space. Almost done. Can I finish? Okay, all done. He said, let me out. Here's the haul. So I got these treats for him from the farmer's market. He loves them. I've shown y'all these. We get them at Hollywood Feed. They had it buy one, get one 50% off, so I stocked up on 2 of them. He loves them. He adores them. Okay. What you doing, Bubs? He's been enjoying this poof. I was just gonna sit on my bum and be lazy. I'm going to get my butt outside since I have the gorgeous lake out there and the running trail, and I just need to enjoy it while we have it. So I'm gonna go and do that. Right now I feel like a little squeezed sausage into my running outfit, but that's okay. And he's just going to enjoy and relax for the moment. Thank you so much for taking the time with me today. I know it was a pretty quick turnaround. I have a call that I have to take with the Philippines. So since they're 14 hours ahead, I want to make sure I catch them at a normal-ish time. So it is almost 6:30 and now I'm meeting with them. Thank you for taking a little bit of a later call today. Hopefully I was trying to catch the Manila team at a decent time.
But I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live behind me. Just live behind me. Look behind me.
I am going to miss this view so much. I had to share it with y'all. I had a meeting I was listening into for the first hour and a half of the day, so now I'm going into meetings. Feels like such a long day for some reason. This is when I am so grateful to have meal prepped because I have my protein pasta with sweet chicken sausage from Trader Joe's and then Rouse. So good. It is hitting the spot. Celentini pasta, and they're so cute. I like their little spirally. meal prepping is worth it because I'm hungry and all I gotta do is pop it in the microwave. That is heating up. I'm gonna mix up my green drink, and these are the non-caffeinated better greens. What I have is guava mango. It doesn't really taste like guava or mango. What's she looking at? Good morning, y'all. Ooh, she is looking all kinds of cray. It's 6:30. The husband is off to work. I've been up since about 4:15. I didn't go to the gym. Instead, I stayed and edited videos because, so today's Wednesday, tomorrow evening we get the boys and we'll have them for like 10 days straight. And then after that we start moving. It's just one of those days where I just want to enjoy being here. I get like this. I get super like attached to places at times, so I'm just trying to enjoy it while I can. It's gonna be a memory soon, so I'm trying to enjoy it. But anyways, I woke up super hungry. I've been getting super hungry like first thing in the morning, probably because I wake up so early. So I'm making myself some oatmeal. This is the oatmeal that I use from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna be putting in some Swerve. I really like this. It's like a brown sugar replacement, and it actually, like, you can't tell that it's like a alternative to sugar. It's very good. And it's 0 cal. Pumpkin pie spice. And then I like to put milk in mine. And it's not pretty looking, but it gets the job done. And I'll have my little milkshake later on. It helps me stay full. You know what, people talk about that fiber. So I'm starting to be more cognizant of like how much fiber I'm getting. Oh, that's good. I love when it's foggy. Sharky, you're driving me nuts. Please go dock. So I took Brutus on his walk, and now, what are you looking at, bubs? Are you ready for breakfast? Doing some breakfast? Are you hungry? Be alone, because ain't nobody got time for that. Anyways, on the agenda for today, I have meetings starting at 9:30. It is 8:30 right now, so I'll have a little bit of time to like get some stuff done because I have things on my to-do list that I did not have time to do yesterday. Projects that have to get done before the end of this year. I didn't go to the gym. My husband also slept in, but I just was not feeling it. So I was listening to my body, the regular. So I should be getting it today. So we'll see. If not, then it's something else, which will be wonderful too. Actually more than wonderful would be what I hope for. So I just wasn't feeling it. I'm feeling super sore and just, I feel super fatigued. And so I'm just letting myself rest. I think that is much needed right now. Also because we have our Christmas holiday time with the boys starting tomorrow. It'll be a fun holiday time, but fun, not necessarily relaxing. And that's what me and one of my mom girlfriends talked about, is like time with family. It may not be relaxing per se, at least in this season, but it's fun. So whenever we have like time off, it's, you know, we joke around about like it being fun time off versus like recharging time off. Ooh. Carry all these things. Oh my goodness, do you enjoy that, bubs? That was super delicious. Good, my honey bear. All right, go on and relax. I love you. Have a great day. My husband does not enjoy his fur all over the couch, so I have been trying to be better at having the blanket on there. And I love it when it's all foggy, because look, I can have the windows open and the sun's not blaring in my face, and obviously I can enjoy the view. This is just such a gorgeous view. Back at his cozy spot. You cozy, my love. Okay. I'm good. How about yourself? Getting to start to wind down soon for the holidays. some of the banh mi mix that I got from the farmer's market. I'm super excited about this. And my green juice. Hi y'all. No worries. No worries. Okay. It's literally the holiday week. There is zero reason to have to sit next to somebody who's not on your team. with as many open spaces as there are, literally zero reason. Let's have some personal space. We are headed to go see the new house. We gotta go get the keys. And guess what? You're gonna get to see your backyard, Bubba's. Are you so excited? Okay, you're marking your territory already, huh? Let's go. Come on, Bubs. You can go and explore, honey. Brutus? Hey, what you doing? What do you think, honey? Knows where the backyard is. You want to go outside? You want to go out there? Okay, you got to be really careful. I don't know what stuff is out there. Disconcerting. Okay. Hold on, Bubs. What do you think? What do you think, Bubs? Do you like it? You like it? This is the new kitchen. I'm excited about it. It's cute. I love this. Sorry for being late. I needed to get my computer booted up at the office. I grabbed one of the conference rooms since there's not many people here in the office today. I appreciate you guys getting on a call with me a couple days before the holidays.